In this video, I'm going to teach you how to get approved for our Spark driver. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. You need to do this process over at the Drive for Spark website. I recommend doing this on your computer, but you can also do this on your phone. Open up a web browser and go to drive4spark.walmart.com. In this page, select Sign Up in the middle, and you will be prompted to either allow the website to know your location, or you can simply input your zip code over here. When you input the code, a list of all the available Walmarts in your location will pop up. You have to select one of these, and if you don't see any Walmarts over here, that means that Spark is not available for your region and there's nothing you can do. However, if you see a region over here, you can click the little arrow next to it to see all the places you can deliver from and to. So select which one you want to be approved for and then select Continue. You will be redirected to this page where you have to verify your phone number, and the Walmart of choice should be displayed over here at the title. If everything looks in order, select Send Code and approve your account on the website. As you can see, I already used this phone number, so you have to go to the login page after you are approved. As long as you input a correct phone number, you will be able to input your remaining credentials to be approved to be a Spark driver on Walmart. I hope I was able to help you on how to get approved for a Spark driver. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.